Yes, and here we have it, guys. The brand new Crush Cycle paint job. We got I think it was blue last year. Was it blue? I think or 2 years ago. I don't remember. Crush Cycle, guys. I'm part of On the Job. Really cool. Same back. All I need is a chase, and I'm done with this mix, which is gonna be hard to find her. So I'll find it one day. No, I will. Crush Cycle, guys. Let's go and open it. I can wait for the next case, actually, of Monster Trucks. Ooh, here it is, guys. Crush Cycle. That is really nice. I love the little gray, like a little ladder here. Crush Cycle, guys. This back is plastic. Dark rims and bead locks. Dark green roll cage. Wait, dark green rims and bead locks. Dark green roll cage. Monster Jam logo. The front of it. Crush Cycle. A little detail here. A little rod back here. Of course, taillight printing. The back. Looks like the Earth Shaker casting a little bit like the front part of it. Don't you think, guys? So that's all I got today, guys. This little details, all little strips here. Like, subscribe, comment, share your cans. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.